Guys, welcome back to the Mind Catchers channel, and today I'm just going to show you guys some new products and things that are not so new, but I received them through PR or I purchased on my own. This comes from a company named VASKER. This is their makeup bag. This is a traveling makeup bag. You could take it anywhere. It is so cute, and I really needed one badly. So you can use this as your kit as well. I'm going to have the link down below. It is very, very affordable. So for those of you who are just starting out with makeup, you want to have it for your professional use, or you want to have it for your personal use. This is a great bag to have. Right here you have zippers and pockets to put, you know, you can put lipsticks in there, you can put extra brushes in there, you can put puffs in there. You have pockets here, and when you turn it upside down, you have a mesh zipper right here that you open, and you have products that you can put in there. Also, in the big zipper right here, you see these openings here. You can fit your foundations inside perfectly. That was the CoverGirl foundation, fit perfectly in there. All right, you also have smaller compartments here that you can put maybe some powder. I don't want to mess it up because I have powder sitting here, but I really don't want to mess it up. I have some compact blushes. You can put them right down inside of there. There are single little holes here for brushes. You also have like that plastic protection. So just in case you're putting up your brushes and they're a little dirty, you won't transfer that you know, dirt and debris and makeup to the other parts of the cloth material. So that was very nice. Also, that flips to close to protect the rest of the bag, and I really appreciate them reaching out. It also comes with an extra strap. So you have the handle here where you could carry it this way, and then you have the extra strap where you could carry it on your shoulder. It also has a name tag and everything, so in case you're traveling, you want to put your name and address and everything on there, you can. VASKER comes from Amazon. So if you have Amazon Prime, you could get it in no time, okay? STILAZZI recently sent me 2 of their blush palettes. The packaging is very, very nice, very summery, like rose gold. It has palm fronds on the front. One of them is named Barbados and one of them is named Bahamas. I'm going to start off with Bahamas because I have family in the Bahamas. Why not? Let's start that off. You get a large glass mirror here, and you have 6 shades inside. And I would think that this would look better on a lighter skin tone, or people lighter than me rather. But I think we could still work with them. They seem to be pretty pigmented, but these are like lighter pinks. You have shades like Mai Tai, Shell, Flamingo. That's a very vibrant pink. So I just swatched all of them together here. Some of these can be used as blush toppers. Some of them can be used as blushes. With my deeper skin tone, I could possibly use some of this as a highlight. Alright guys, so that was Bahamas. The other palette made the exact same way, but these are the shades inside. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And this is the palette that I'm actually wearing today. I'm using the color Mango Tango here on my cheek because it's an orangey shade. Very, very pretty. Next to that you have Sizzle, you have Salsa, you have Papaya, you have Private Island, you have Sugarcane. And I used to love going to my granddaddy's backyard and eating sugarcane. That brought back some memories for real. And you can tell the pigmentation is insane in this palette. And you do have 2 shimmery shades, and the rest are blushes. So super duper nice from STILAZZI. Alright guys, the brand from KEVYN was nice enough to send me a PR package which included the NEO-Limelight highlighters and illuminators. Alright, so it comes in this nice felt bag here, and you pull it out, and that is the packaging. Gorgeous packaging. This one is in the shade Capri, which is cool pink. Has that large mirror, and there's what it looks like. So it goes from a light pale pink all the way down to this cool pink right here. And this next one is in the shade Ibiza, and this is Iridescent Glow is what it says. Oh, beautiful. And these are more like purples, kind of like that ultra, no, not ultraviolet. Oh, I don't know what I want to call it. And I just kind of mix it all together. It's very pretty. When I was at the OFRA Cosmetics launch party, they did give us some goodies, and basically they were celebrating a rebranding, which means that they were just bringing out new packaging. They were trying to revamp some of the things that they already had, and they brought out new shades as well. I don't think I have any of the new shades, but I do have everything in the new packaging. This is the Makeup Fixer. It says that this is basically a makeup setting spray, and that's what it looks like. Very sleek packaging, a light refreshing mist that keeps makeup in place all day, and it has like this little stopper that you pull off, and it mists out very nice. It has a nice fragrance too. Almost, actually it smells more perfumey. All right, the next thing that was in the box is a Perfecting Puff. It is a latex free expanding makeup sponge. I haven't even opened this up yet, but you see that teal colored sponge inside, little leg in there. It's very cute, and it expands, you know, once you dampen it and everything like that. And it's latex free, so the people who have latex allergies can use it. So that is good thinking on behalf of OFRA. I do have 4 of the liquid lipsticks in the new packaging. The old packaging, well, I'll link the video down below. They're square with the white tops. So very, very nice. This one is in the shade Americano, kind of similar to what I have on my lips today. Hope you can see it kind of blends in with my skin tone. Brickle, named after one of our avenues here in Miami. So that red, that's Brickle. All right, the next one is called Bel Air. I would definitely need a lip liner for Bel Air. That's that neutral shade right there. And the last one is called Mocha. That's the one way down here to the bottom. And here is the packaging for the highlighter. And yes, I got a little makeup on it, forgive me. This highlighter is in the shade Beverly Hills. All white sleek packaging, beautiful mirror inside. You can see the highlighter in there. And you just swirl it around. And then the word or the name OFRA here, and that's square. Also the company Icon eyelashes. I hope I'm saying that right. It's double I, Icon. I'm gonna put it here in the video. They were nice enough to send me 3 of their mink lashes. The ones that I have on my eyes right now are called Trust Issues. That's the name of those. And then I have Famous, which are gorgeous. Look how nice and thick. They're gonna be beautiful. I have to have just the right look. I think for those, because I have hooded eyes, I think that I'm gonna go with like an all over lid color with these. I can't get too intricate with liner or do anything fancy because it's going to be covered, but those are gorgeous. Okay, and Heartbreaker, these are also beautiful. They are smaller towards the inner corner of the eye, and they really flare out at the outer corner. So I really like lashes like that. The ones that I have on right now are just like they have enough space between the lashes where you can see the look through the lashes, so that's why I picked those today. So thank you so much, Icon. My friends over at Avon always give me nice things to show you guys. On the inside, they gave me pretty much everything I would need for like a spa day. They have the Mind Catcher right there. And let me say this, I did change my name on YouTube, but I am still going by the Mind Catcher everywhere else. It's a very long story to the name change. Basically, I went to a YouTube class and we were talking about names and how you choose names for YouTube. And my name was the Mind Catcher a long time, since 2011 when I started my channel. and I actually got the name from an email address I had. So I really didn't put too much thought into the name. I never thought that I would be on YouTube this long, honestly. So when I asked the question, do you guys think that my name could be stopping or stunting my growth here on YouTube? They said it could be. The Mind Catcher sounds more like a gaming channel. They told me maybe I should put beauty in my name somewhere or use my real name. So that's still a thought, to use my real name, but for right now I decided to just name myself TMC Natural Beauty. I really want to stick with the Mind Catcher some kind of way, so that's the story behind that. Avon sent me the Calming Clay Mask, and this has aloe in it. They also sent me the Purifying Clay Mask, which is a white charcoal. This one is the Brightening Clay Mask. This one is made with citrus peel extract. And this one is a gold peel off mask. And I love peel off masks. They're just fun to play with. So I really appreciate Avon. Avon has been doing some really nice things lately with their makeup. Their highlighters and their contour sticks are awesome. They have a contour stick deep enough for my skin tone. So you guys don't sleep on Avon. Check it out. Alright guys, so that is it. The makeup that you see me have on right here, this is going to be a full face tutorial, eyes and face, coming up very shortly. If I don't already have it on the channel, I will be linking it to this video as soon as possible. My latest hair tutorial, my twist out, I will leave a link for that down below. Just check the description box. Lots and lots of goodies. Always, guys, check my description box. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. If you have not checked me out over on Patreon, please come on over to Patreon. We're doing some fun things over there. There is a giveaway every single month on Patreon. Some very nice items are being given away. Also, if you guys are not getting notifications, you need to be clicking that bell so YouTube will let you know when I have a video live. And as you guys can see, I'm trying to talk fast, get this video out to you, make it nice and short and sweet, and still show you everything. So I appreciate each and every one of you. Oh, by the way, there will be a huge Urban Decay giveaway from me on Instagram. This will be an Instagram only giveaway. So if you are not on Instagram, I'm sorry. This is for Instagram only. I'm not going to announce when I'm starting that giveaway. You're just going to have to be following me on Instagram. And I am at the Mind Catcher on Instagram. So come on over there and subscribe and follow now, because when it drops, and I'm not going to announce it over here. Alright, it's going to be some pretty nice things. Whoever wins is going to be a very happy camper. Alright, so I will talk to you guys in the next one. Cyber kisses. Bye.